Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. If you've been following my channel, you already know I've been diving deep into the MEXC Exchange, one of the most powerful platforms for crypto trading out there. In my previous videos, I showed you how MEXC offers insane DX plus futures, and how you can easily pick a newly listed meme coin and watch it skyrocket 100x, even 1000x, sometimes in just a few hours. And if you haven't seen it yet, I also dropped a video on how I made over $180 profit in just one day using 400x leverage on MEXC. That's right, 400x. If you missed that video, hit the description box below and watch it first. Trust me, you don't want to skip it. Alright guys, now let's dive into the main highlight of today's video. Something super exciting happening right now on the MEXC Exchange. So, if you're a trader, investor, or even just crypto curious, pay attention, because this could be your chance to earn real rewards with just a couple of simple steps. MEXC has launched a brand new event called the Airdrop KOL Campaign, and it's live right now. And guess what? The Crypto Chronicles community, yes you, gets special access with exclusive benefits. Let me break it all down for you step by step. This event gives you the chance to claim an 800 USDT CUSDT futures position for free just by joining with my referral code and completing a simple deposit task. On top of that, you'll also receive a $20 USDT bonus instantly added to your account. Yes, it's real. No gimmicks. Just straight up value from MEXC. Let's talk about the timeline. The event started on April 30th. 2025 at 4 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. It will end on May 8th, 2025 at 4 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. After the event, you'll still have time to claim your rewards until May 11th, 2025 at 4 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. So don't sleep on this. The window is small, just 7 days total, and you want to make sure you get your rewards before it closes. So what exactly do you need to do? Let's go step by step. Step 1. Sign up for MEXC using the official event link. You'll find it in the description below. And make sure you use my referral code is MEXC2WRJ6. This is the most important part. If you don't use the referral code, you won't qualify for the rewards. So don't skip that. Step 2. Make a net deposit of at least 100 USDT during the event period. That's your total deposit after subtracting withdrawals and internal transfers. It needs to be 100 USDT or more. Once that's done, you're eligible to claim your rewards. Simple as that. Now you might be wondering, why MEXC Futures? Why should I even bother? Let me give you 3 big reasons. Most number of hot tokens globally. MEXC lists tokens faster than almost any other exchange, especially new meme coins, DeFi gems, and early movers. You also get adjustable leverage up to 200x. Number 1 in liquidity worldwide. Over 90% of trading pairs on MEXC offer top-tier liquidity. That means smoother trades, tighter spreads, and reduced risk of slippage, especially during big market moves. Lowest trading fees in the market. MEXC offers some of the lowest fees anywhere. Maker fee, 0.000%. Taker fee, 0.040%, and that's unbeatable compared to other top-tier exchanges. Now what do you get? Once approved, you'll be able to claim a CUSDT futures position worth approximately 800 USDT. Here's how it works. You'll receive a 20 USDT bonus. You can choose to go long or short. That bonus is then used to open a CUSDT isolated position with 40x leverage. This creates a trade worth around 800 USDT. All funded by MEXC. And just a quick note, if you already have an open CUSDT position or a pending order, you won't be able to claim this airdrop. So close those first if needed. How can you check your claimed position? Easy. Once you've successfully claimed the bonus, just head to the CUSDT Perpetual Futures trading page, and you'll see the position there immediately. No waiting around. Important event rules you need to know. This event is only valid for users who sign up using my referral code and visit the official event page. Your total net deposit is calculated as total on-chain deposits, withdrawals, internal transfers plus P2P transfers and P2P transfers out. Each user can only claim this airdrop once. Market makers, institutions, and sub-accounts are not eligible. You must follow all of MEXC's terms of service. Any cheating, botting, or manipulation equal instant disqualification. MEXC reserves the right to change the event rules at any time without notice. But before we wrap up, let me tell you why MEXC is truly one of the best exchanges out there for both traders and investors. And I'm not just saying this. The platform structure and features speak for themselves. Let's break it down. On the left side, you've got what we all know and love, the centralized exchange, or CEX, which is MEXC's core trading platform. This is where the magic happens if you're into structured, high-liquidity trading. Here's what makes it powerful. Over 4,086 trending tokens available on the platform. Trade across 2,935 spot pairs and 1,159 futures pairs. Daily airdrops with 1,000% plus APR opportunities. Extremely low fees. 0% for makers. Industry-leading comprehensive liquidity. Rated at 2.2x, ensuring smooth trades, even during volatile market movements. Now let's shift to the right side, the game-changing DX Plus Futures platform. This is a brand new on-chain trading platform designed for Web3 investors, especially those who love exploring early-stage opportunities like meme coins and micro-cap gems. Here's what's special. You don't even need to create a separate account. Just connect your existing MEXC account. Instantly access real on-chain trading opportunities. Integrated with real-time data sources, like Pump.Fun, allowing you to track newly released tokens the moment liquidity is launched. This gives you a first-mover advantage. You can spot new meme tokens and low-cap assets before they explode. It eliminates the hassle of scouring multiple platforms to find hidden gems. Everything is right there, in one place. So whether you're a traditional trader or a Web3 explorer, MEXC has both sides of the market fully covered. Centralized performance on one hand, and decentralized discovery on the other. It's truly a hybrid powerhouse for the modern crypto investor. That's a wrap. Don't miss MEXC's Airdrop KOL Campaign. Claim an 800 USDT BTC position and get a $20 bonus just by signing up with my code, MEXC2WRJ6. The event ends May 8th, so act fast. MEXC is perfect for both CEX and DX traders, with low fees, tons of tokens, and easy meme coin access. Check the description for links, and I'll catch you in the next video. Crypto Chronicles out.